sugar and spice and everyday nice. We're here at the Vegan Fest, y'all. So come on in, guys.
And there may be someone else. And as I sit alone here at home, knowing what I should do.
Okay.
Oh, I thought he was in our seat.
What are you most excited to try today?
I'm most excited to try today is my vegan cookie, my macarons, and I'm also excited to try the vegan roll.
Also, to be clear, I'm very taller than you. I'm very taller than you. Look at this height difference. Look at this height difference. You gotta do like this. I gotta do like this.
Why do you do that all the time? Bottom is our cookie. So our honesty cookie, that's our most popular cookie. It has Oreos, marshmallows, chocolate chip. And our chocolate chip has real chocolate. Our junkyard has unreal candy, some peanut butter cups, chocolate peanuts, and we added crunchy things. Okay. Yeah, no. These folks are saying, alright, thank you. Yay! I have the junkyard cookie. It looks really, really good. And we're going to try it later on. Right now I'm starving. And we have a champagne macaron. Looks so awesome. And I got it because it's cool. Green and purple. Favorite color.
I'm here with 3 young, educated black women. Can y'all introduce yourself, please?
My name is Danae. My name is Kyla Wilson. And my name is Alana Williams. And we are part of the Appeal Project.
And what is the Appeal Project?
The Appeal Project is a program for high schoolers or teens where we learn about sexually transmitted diseases, college readiness, mental health, and all kinds of different things. And we go out in our community and ask them about what they know about it.
We also educate them. You know, we also being educated ourselves, but I think it's a fun experience. It's a real fun experience.
Yeah, it's a good way to get knowledge into people who don't know, because like it could be a pregnant woman who don't even know about the transmitted diseases.
It's like a giving kit. We give education and then we receive the knowledge of it.
We're gonna try this coconut. We're gonna try this. All right. I've been dying for this.
Is it?
This shit is so fucking good. Like you like chopped it up in the blender. This is good.
It's awesome.
This is really good. This feel like I'm in Jamaica or some shit on that island. This is some good. This is some
And
good
you
shit.
get
Look
to
at
get,
this.
ooh.
This is nice. This is real nice. This is real nice. This is real nice. I'm not trying that coconut water though, to be clear. I'm not trying coconut water. No, I'm not trying coconut water.
Hi guys, Sugar Spice again. So I finally got my cocoa water and it is so good. Let's pray that it tastes good. Here we go. Woo, woo, woo. It's good. It's good. The freshness, best way you could drink. It's good for actually your pH balance, ladies. Also clean you out. It's also good for you know what. So get you some coconut, pure coconut from the coconut, not from the bottles.
Hey, what's up?
What up, man? How's it going? Thank you for coming out here.
Can I get a pigs in a blanket?
We are out of the blankets got soggy. We got the bloody street corn nachos going down right now.
you know, give that little flavor.
Okay.
Okay. First, we're gonna try the hot, what's the name? With the lime, it's really, really good. With the lime, and make it sip. It's crunchy because it's chip, but also give it more flavor with the corn. It's really, really good. Woo. Hot chip. That's good. Now we're about to try it with the chip. Tortilla chip.
That look good as hell. Oh my god, that looks so good. That look good as hell.
Are you guys ready? Here we go. It's really, really good.
I'm Lloyd. I'm originally from the Caribbean, moved here 7 years ago, and in 2019 I especially become vegan. Why? Because the food in the States wasn't so helping my stomach, so now I'm see the difference. I have more energy, I'm more motivated, I sleep much better, I go out more with friends, but I don't eat the same food as other people, but I love what I do right now.
Thank you so much.
Are you ready?
Okay, so we got this is the Instagram food. This is the stuff the it girls get, the influencers get. Okay, there we go. Let's see and try it.
All right, guys, let's try it. It's your girl.
What you think about it?
That looks good.
Right? It's right there. The twisted potato.
Oh, the potato thing?
Yeah, it's real good. It looked good. That one, it looked good. I just want to say, first of all, me, you got issues.
Where?
Because y'all supposed to have vegan oxtail, and there's no vegan oxtail.
We got ribs today. We got ribs instead of oxtail.
I'm gonna take the ribs then. All right, so listen, I got the men. So apparently, listen, this is the beef. I've seen that they had vegan oxtail. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get vegan oxtail. I retweeted it. I reshared it on my Instagram. They reshared it back. It was like, right? Get here, they don't have it. But we're gonna go to Birmingham to get it though. We're gonna go to Birmingham to get it. I told them I'm gonna go to Birmingham. So I'm gonna be a man of my word and go to Birmingham. But today we got some other surprises. Look at that, that's a juicy egg roll. That's a juicy. Look at that, that's a juicy egg roll. We're gonna try the egg roll.
You know it's good when it just falls apart.
Okay, the egg roll is good. It got cheese in it. It probably got some Beyond or Eat Impossible meat. It's real savory. You can really taste the flavor in it. Like they really cooked this. I don't know who mama cooked this, but my mama threw down.
So you gonna make him smack your mama?
Hey, I saw a black lady in there. That black lady put it down. I mean, as soon as she made it. It's good. It is really good. So, you got ribs, you got mac and cheese, and then you got green beans. So we about to listen, look at this. Let's see this pour. Let's see what this mac and cheese is for. Look at this. Look at that. That's vegan mac and cheese. That's vegan mac and cheese. No, somebody lying. They cook this is good. Somebody use real cheese for this one. Tell you, whoever mom in that truck down there, they cooking. They cooking in that truck. They cooking in that truck. This mac and cheese. This mac and cheese. Like I don't even try nothing else right now. Like I want to just eat this mac and cheese while we recording the video. The bread. This is the bread. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't that savory? Look at that. 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 Look at that texture. Okay, you ready? Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I'm ready. Y'all ready? I'm ready. This rib is great. This rib tastes like got a smoky flavor to it. It has a beefy flavor to it. If you would told me this is a boneless rib, I would have believed you.
Really?
Like this tastes like they smoked it for 6 hours.
Wow.
This tastes like they put apples, like they've been manning the grill with this damn vegan rib. This rib is great. They've been manning the grill with this rib. This rib been tender, love, and care. This is a fucking rib. This is a boneless rib. I'm fully convinced. They faking like this vegan. This is not vegan. This is a boneless rib. This is brisket with barbecue sauce, shredded up into ground to make it look like it was vegan. Cause look at this. Look at this. Look at this thing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look, I'm about to go shake somebody's hand. Somebody deserve a handshake for making it. Look at this. This is amazing. This been served with tender love and care.
No.
What's up, guys? Out here at the Vegan Festival here in Atlanta, Georgia. I tell you what, this place is crazy. There are vendors everywhere, and it is just, it's a moment. It's a moment, that's for sure. I've never seen anything like this before. Yeah, just out here enjoying some vegan food. I'm not vegan most of the time, so it's really cool seeing something new.
All right, well, let's talk about something you're familiar with then. What films have you made?
Oh, man. So I'm a filmmaker from Arkansas, and I just recently graduated in 2022 from the University of Central Arkansas, and I made a film called Double Trouble about two guys who go into this 80s arcade and they stay overnight. They get trapped in a haunted video game. There's a 4-minute animated sequence in it, and you cannot see it on YouTube because it's unlisted. I'm sorry. But I'm really, really proud of the work that I've done, and it's super exciting. I'm also sort of a YouTuber as well, but I've only got like 3K.
And where can we watch this movie?
I'll probably re-upload it at some point. It's going to be on Hyun's Dojo. That's Hyuns Dojo.
All right, okay. And what's your favorite movie?
Avengers Infinity War. I'm not materialistic about it. As much as I love high art cinema as a filmmaker, dude, Avengers Infinity War is where it's at. I love that movie. It made me cry, and nobody can take that away from me.
Okay, so one last follow-up question.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite Avenger?
Oh gosh. It's gotta be Iron Man, dude. It's gonna have to be Iron Man.
May he rest in peace.
Absolutely.